this typewriter. It's kind of dirty and smells. So I'm gonna try to watch this video to like take it apart and maybe clean the inside better. We'll see how it goes. I know for sure we probably have to get rid of these old ribbons. I have this, some new ribbon. I'm gonna take the screws out. Get that out. What's this groove he's talking about? Hold on 1 minute. All right, thank you. Oh, finally I got this part off. All right, that took forever. How the hell do I get this out? How's he doing that? Oh, Oy. Get out. Get out, bitch. Where's it? That damn screw. Yeah. Alright, we're doing real good, I think. Ew, I think there's a spider in there. I'm gonna use this thing to vacuum out the nasty. Oh, it worked! Oh, he's so fast. Hold on 1 minute. Oh, cool. Ew. Ew. Oh, so gross. I hate it. Where's my husband? I need him to clean it. I cleaned the outside part, but you can see it's pretty nasty in here. How do you guys have any recommendations on how to clean the inside? I think I saw you can use like a mineral spritz. Is it spritz or spirits? Is there a way to clean the inside here? Like with Q-tips or something? Do I do anything here? And then this thing looks kind of dirty. I did see somebody do like sandpaper. I'm not really sure. Any advice would be great. Thank you.